Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ellen. Are you frustrated painting and don't know what to paint? I have the perfect tutorial for you. Sweet little butterfly, using some of my fun wet on wet techniques and little lifting. Yeah, anybody can do this. Beginner, skill level, and just create something really soft and different and unique. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I had frustration painting today, so I figured let's do something really fun and easy. And therefore, you should do the same. All right, so let's get started. Alright, if you're like me today, you're struggling what to paint, I'm just having one of those days. I don't know, I'm just going to play with color and see what happens. When I draw like a butterfly shape, little head, little body, wings, the pencil, and it might not be perfect. I'll take a flat wash brush and I'll start to play with color. Maybe I'll make pinks and reds. Red, pinks. I'll put those down around first. Some light pinks, all that light color, good stuff. So now it's like wet and damp a little bit around everything. Kind of goofy. Now I'm going to grab thick paint, red, cadmium red, light and bright rose. And I'm just going to go like this. Push it in the middle, go out. Taking your brush. So you draw the shape of the simple butterfly. You can get a vector image all over the internet. Thicker paint, so it's wet on wet. This could be a Valentine. I don't know. It could be anything. It could be something for spring. You could change the colors completely. Just going like this. Obviously, this is dry on that section. Just fill in the center. We can put this center darker. See? Just a simple butterfly shape. Grab a little more pink. Again, in the center. Tap a little bit yellow around the edges. It'll turn into orange. So that's just a simple butterfly. We're going to let that sit in the paint. In the paper for a little bit. While it's sitting, we can grab some yellows and go like this. Put some orange and colors down here. Fill out some of the paper. Well, this butterfly part is sitting there. Going like this. Just kind of twisting and turning my brush. Putting more color. Try not to hit the edges. I'm grabbing more yellow. Really bright yellow. Whoa! Clean off my brush. Get that wet. Ooh, put some of that up here. I like that yellow. So now I feel like in order to balance this, I got to get this butterfly even brighter pink, right? So grabbing some more of that bright rose. Ooh, wow. Right in there. Just right out of the tube. Thick butter-like paint. And I'm going to grab some color up here, yellow up here, kind of blend so it's moving around the paper. You're having fun with paint when you're just so frustrated. I think I painted like 3 things today and I was just not happy with any of it. People ask me all the time, do you ever throw? I'm like, of course I throw things away. Of course I hate things. I'm human. And now we do my little lifting here. I'll lift some of this color out around the butterfly and down here. We can splatter a little color too while we're here. Having fun. Grab that, make more of an orange. Oh, we're having fun. Even some pink. It's all good. It's all about having fun, people. Okay, I might even grab a little blue in here. We'll make purple. This ultramarine blue deep. Look at that. All right, clean up my brush. And I'll start to play with the lifting game again. So I'm lifting this color. See where I want to go with this. Go back with my butterfly wing here. Grab some pink. I'm kind of pushing this out across the paper. And it can go further out from what we drew. Have more expression. Woohoo! We're having fun here, right? If you're not, what's the point? Walk away. Sometimes I have to walk away too. Going outward. Butterflies. Okay, I'm adding some more pink. Red. Woo! Insane. Now, I don't like the splatter up here. I need to remove that. Just removing that color. See? Tapping back on my paper towel. Removing this. And the butterflies coming into shape. Get really tight in here. Lifting. The rest can be kind of loose. Tapping back. Moving the paint around. Same thing here. I'm going to get lifting up some of this color. Not crazy about some of it. Lift and move. We'll have a fun butterfly. Right? Taking shape. So cute. Loving all the little fun marks. I could make my butterfly actually bigger than what I've drawn out by adding more color. Much bigger, going off the paper. Adding some more paint. It's a really big butterfly. Light edges over here. And again, you have to just figure out for yourself, like, where do you want to stop at that? For me, it's just a little bit further. What do I want to do with that? Maybe with some paper towel too. Sometimes it takes off the paint really easily. Nice texture background. Look at that. And we have a sweet butterfly. Okay. So while our sweet butterfly is drying now, add a little more color. I feel like this part of the wing, the bottom part, is not big enough. Just making more color come down here. Make it make sense. Okay. And I'll add a little dollop of my blue, a couple little dots. Same thing here. You can add as many as you want. All right, we're going to let that dry. Oh, wait, I have one more thing I want to do. Just want to pull this down. Yeah, soften that. Okay, we're going to let it dry. I'm going to come back and paint the head and the antenna and call it a day. Okay, so I'm going to grab ultramarine blue deep and some bright rose. Make like a nice purple. And I'll make that for the little head. Maybe more blue than purple. Make the body come down here. A little bit thicker on the body. And there's the antennae. Little dots. And then you can get a little creative with your brushes. Excuse me, my paint's got a little messy here. Adding in some veins or whatever for your butterfly. Put little lines here. As you see, the butterflies always have these little veins, and they have like little lines on the bottom. I'll do that. I'll add either pink or purple. Maybe a little purple, pink. Kind of little dots around here on the ends. Give it some kind of cute little pattern. You don't have to do this. It's up to you. Just really kind of sweet and simple, isn't it? And when the purple dries, you can add a little gold on top. So just do a couple of gold lines. If you don't have gold paint, use gold marker. Look at that. Gold here in the center. Just really kind of cute. And there's a little sweet butterfly. Isn't that sweet? I hope you enjoyed my crazy butterfly. This is what I'm doing when I'm just frustrated. I was frustrated today. I had like so many paintings I was working on and I just hated all of them. So then I painted a butterfly. I hope you enjoy it. It's really quick and easy. Get all your frustrations out. And even if you want these a little lighter, you can just kind of lift some of the color when they're wet, or even go back in and just kind of mush it a little bit more. I hope this was fun. Let me know in comments. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.